inner sense of drive that you just want to never give in and come out of any situation that life throws at you.
The ability to be able to adapt to any situation.
Keep a Cenarian anywhere in the world, they'll survive.
Put us in an AC car, we're okay. Put us in a bus which has dirty smoke or whatever, we fit in there.
Coming to Sinar makes you a much stronger person. I don't mean physically, but I mean mentally.
It prepared us to be able to handle adversity in every step of your life. And then you're already one step ahead of everybody else.
You learned a little everywhere and you didn't even realize it. And then when you went into the world and you had to do everything, it all comes back.
Sinar does expose you to many demographics of people.
Diversity of people you meet here. In a normal day-to-day school, you don't get such opportunities.
Rather than being in an ordinary school where you are actually on your own and just dependent on your parents, here it's all brotherhood, right?
At Sinar, so we need to make our beds and all that stuff. So discipline was huge.
Discipline covers every other aspect of one's personality.
Of course, resilience and all the other things that go with the school motto, never given. I think that also, and the discipline, that helps. But I think the one thing that really helped me is to be in nature and be in touch with nature.
I think there's no place like Sinar. There's no campus like Sinar.
Resilience, relationships, perseverance, all these good words, health, mental health, all this stuff is never given.
The motto says it for itself.
Never give in, bro. Never give in. That is what is just taking us everywhere now.
I think that spirit of not giving up, never give in.
Basically, you don't give up, right? So you just figure it out.
And the never give in has really stayed, like, you get down, you get back up again.
Definitely never give in.
So Sanar's definitely, as the motto says, never give in, that's for sure. And a part of that is resilience. That's something that it's a boarding school quality. It's a Lawrence School Sinar quality.
Those are the times that shape us. Those are the times we had the challenges. Those are the times we all got together to figure it out. And those were the times we established the biggest friendships and the biggest lessons.
Studying in an institution like Sinar was the best thing that's ever happened to me.
I believe school builds your character, and this is something which till my last breath will be with me.
It's just, whenever you see any face, everything just goes back straight to memories.
Time doesn't go back, but we're all still here, and what we went through together doesn't change, and that bond will always be there with us.
I feel very emotional when I actually talk about it now, because everybody has such an influence on everybody's life,
While you are in that time, you want to get out of it. But then after that, it never comes back, right? So you want to go back and relive those days.
Made friends for life, and proof enough that Nilgiri House has turned out in large numbers.
When I train for boxing, they make us do high knees, and I think of Daud Kadam Tal every single time, and that's every Sunday I think of Sinar with Daud Kadam Tal.
Getting these two headies cards with Behel's also up there, because people like me generally are not in that category, but people like Behel pull you into that category.
From a Headies list and from copying from Joppy Deaconal, I've got like distinctions in lower 6. That gave me some Carlisle award, which is like for the best improvement ever. So that is a memory which stays with me.
If you miss the train I'm on, you will know that I am gone. You can hear the whistle blow 100 miles, 100 miles, 100 miles, 100 miles, 100 miles. You can hear the whistle blow 100 miles. Lord, I'm 1, Lord, I'm 2, Lord, I'm 3, Lord, I'm 4, Lord, I'm 500 miles away from home, away from home, away from home, away from home, away from home. Lord, I'm 500 miles away from home. Not a shirt on my back, not a penny to my name. Lord, I can't go back home. It's so late.
I want to share two things: resilience and connections. First, resilience, and I speak of the physical sorts, starting with that steep slope up PD, the 3-minute showers often cold, the endless favors, kneeling group on Peastead, the dreaded drill book, and the drill that followed. And then there was the emotional resilience. Whether school built us up or scarred us for life, the jury is still out. But every experience was an opportunity to think independently and figure things out for ourselves. Second, and more important, are the bonds of friendship. Some have faded, but they were all meaningful. And the memories come rushing back every time we meet. We are this school, me and you. And as we grow, the school grows too. Thank you.
My years here taught me the importance of discipline, of camaraderie, of sportsmanship, friendships, patience, and above all, resilience.
The first year of Bhupender Singh tournament, soccer, and the second year was, I think, Sesqui Sanitary, the tournament. Very melting moments emotionally.
Going through the fire and going on the horse, and now when I look at those pictures, I'm like, wow, I could do this, you know.
Slaps from Heady was the worst.
Yeah, quite a few got. But you deserved it, actually.
Yeah, right.
I was also the tallest kid, like literally the tallest kid from all the guys, so that worked to my advantage. So, yeah.
I think that class of Form 2 was the cutest class ever.
Go back to upper 6. Do it again. Do it again, do it properly.
So maybe like go back and do upper 6 all over again, minus the board exams.
I think I would love to go back to the time when we were low 6s and upper 6s. I think those are the best times.
I learned how to play hockey here, which I never knew before, and that too in low 6.
It was a good time. We were getting our feet on the ground. That's what we felt. We still don't have the feet on the ground. Yeah.
That's what we thought.
The upper dorms where today holding houses, that was hell. What followed after that was outstanding. By the time you were in upper 6, it was also heaven.
After low 4, upper 4, things just went uphill. It was fantastic. Sanaa is more than school for me.
safe. यार चल
Put me in your arms, baby. Yo. Put me in your arms, baby. Yo, yo. Yo, yo. Put me in your arms, baby.
In case they don't make it, then we have Ravneet Sekhar, Bhani Dhillon, Vikti Chadda, and Jaspreet Sekhar. And Priyanka Anand has volunteered that in case none of these legends are able to beat her record, she is going to. And just to set the record right, she fainted at the age of 14 on the same ground, and she's come back. She has come back at 43 to prove to the whole school.
Kumi running the.
I think given I didn't do a single athletics event in upper 6 and lower 6, the time has come.
We'll take the fourth lane. We'll take the fourth lane.
Cheating और क्या क्या कर सकते हैं?
कर सकते हैं.
Can I cut like this?
Start from lane number 4 आगे ला.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
You will be getting
Number 1. So number 1 is here. Number 2.
Come on.
Good evening. How are you?
Dirtiest bunk was that one.
Dirtiest bunk.
That was my bunk here.
Gil's bunk was here and he used to come every day, every morning he used to come with a mug full of tea in his hand. Study at 6 in the morning, Gil, you remember?
Yeah.
With sweeties and salties.
Sweeties and salties. Chicks and guys used to have swimming separately. Girls
chicks used to swim, we used to try and see through the hole. Yeah. Oh yeah. There was one big hole there and in the crack. Yeah. There was one. Chicks in the pool, man. But now pool is looking good, yeah. It's looking good. This is the only certificate I ever got. Yeah. Swimming. I got it in prep school. Do you still have it? बहुत तंग किया है यार.
बहुत सभी तभी प्यार करने आते हैं. तंग करने के बाद ही प्यार करते हैं. नहीं ट्रबल किसी ने किया, लव किया.
I think someone from PD made that.
Probably right. We got a dhokha.
Like not even one, but 4-5 of them together.
And then they made that up to make it more convincing.
To be fair, I like the art in the art room better.
When you hear the rhythm, start to move.
We begin tattoo with the mass PT. With your leader, begin.
It was a good opportunity to meet everyone. It's very difficult to gather and connect with everyone at one given point.
We try to gather as many people to come. I think that was priority number one.
I mean, there is a crowd of people we see every year, but even the ones you don't see every year, it's like you can pick up from where you left off, even though the starting point has moved so many years out. I think that's amazing.
It's unforgettable journey that all of us have gone through. So yeah, it's awesome, yeah.
So I'm seeing a lot of new faces, but really reconnecting with old faces, and it's just been incredible.
And some people we don't recognize initially, and then it takes a few seconds, and then suddenly like you have these memories you've completely forgot.
And I'd like to apologize that I did not recognize you. It's been a long time. So
While coming here, it was all the emotions they all came rushing back, memories. And the closer you get to school, the stronger this becomes, and then just reaching here and seeing all these guys on BD Quad and all our batchmate boys and girls in assembly, it just took me back. It was amazing.
I think I got a little senti during the first song at Chapel. Yeah, I was overwhelmed.
It seems like it was just yesterday. I mean, I don't feel like it's been 25 years, to be quite honest.
It's always nice to be amongst friends, go back like to 25, 30 years ago, relive that. It's obviously nice.
The school has taught me a lot to be very independent. This is something which I want my kids also to learn.
Very vivid memories which I had. I can now relive them walking through the campus. Got my son along.
Feels very nostalgic. It feels refreshing. I've seen a lot of evolution in people. Everyone has come so far in their own lives, and now we're sharing this moment in like two ends of a math equation.
For me, I think it was a really pleasant surprise meeting some people and sort of not knowing what they did after school, catching up on literally a life history. It was like one statement and where were you, what happened in your life, and we're here today.
It's good to pick up from where we left, and connections are still there. There's our core memories that we have.
famous Vindhya house.
Correct.
Of course, it's become super fancy now. Oh, nice desks and all, man. And do they get red towels? Do all Vindhyans get red towels?
Yes.
And are the towels also house-wise?
Yes, sir.
Oh, how cool is that? See, my father's name is here and my name is there. Check out the undies here. What lookies are man? Van using undies, not bad, yeah? CK undies, yeah, these are cool guys, man, Vindhyans. Oh shit, see this? Yeah.
Upper six.
Yeah.
They filled the hole.
Yeah.
And
they've sealed it up.
They sealed it up, but we used to do the counter pen, jumping and.
So obviously Karol was a pro at this. So he used to be the first guy to go up, and then everyone used to go and then used to pull them up.
It's fun.
I think because you guys used to...
We were smaller.
Yeah.
Chhabda's bunk was there. That's the house captain bunk.
Right in the corner.
There. So I was in that corner. So actually, in reality, I was the house captain.
But the slipper fights used to happen, yeah?
Yeah. We guys do
shoe fights.
Shoe fights. Full on. Chakkar hammer. And
Saturday nights.
We never used to throw for fun. We threw to kill. It was not Spider-Man.
What?
Hang on. Spider-Man.
That drill.
Yeah, that was it.
And you have to hang for how much time?
About half an hour.
Shut up.
45 minutes.
No, I don't believe that.
And
Yeah.
we lasted about 5-6 minutes. Out of all the dons, this was the best don.
You should have Maggie. Maggie from here.
On the newspaper, we thought the newspaper was clean. And then that newspaper used to start coming into the Maggie and we used to eat the newspaper with the Maggie. Yeah.
Memories coming back, huh?
It's real.
Yeah, same thing happened to me yesterday.
The goal of being in this balcony was to get the stone to hit the band house, and make a loud noise. Because Banda, he lived in there.
Okay.
And he would then come out and look who's throwing the
stones from here.
And if you actually look closely, you'll see stone marks.
Yeah, actually, yeah, you can.
Oh yeah, there are.
Yeah.
It's all
It's been that tradition was going on for much before we got here.
No. Do it again. A few guys from our batch decided to send a message to some teachers, and both these cannons disappeared. One was dragged to in front of the headmaster's office, and the other one was dragged in front of the Dean of Studies office. So that is the mystery of the disappearing cannons. But since then, as you see, they've had to glue iron these things to the ground. And it used to be like a strength test as well. You know, if you could lift the cannons, that would prove that you have it. But that was extreme.
Narang, you made a long journey here for Founders, yeah? Well done, yeah? Thanks for making it.
Thanks, Dali.
Nice to see you after long.
It's always a pleasure.
I really hope it is worth it.
Was it worth it? Say it.
It's definitely worth it.
Yeah. To say it,
It's like we are back for hikes. It feels like hikes. A little bit upgraded version.
So then, what is your this thing, cross country? What did you come?
Fuck you.
You got some.
Don't record
Okay, first, second, or third.
So, cross country, what did you come? Last. I can't believe you even asked that. Can we take it easy? It's too early. It's too early.
I'm sure you remember this road and all. You need to practice.
It was a night.
Saman God Dhun will be played by the band while inspection. band will now play a musical note on Quick March.
आगे बढ़ेगा दाहिने मत
The parade will move in teeny chal on slow march home.
Now the parade is ready to move on. Sare jahan se acha. The parade commander will now take permission from the chief guest to retreat.
जय श्रीमान परेड समाप्त है परेड चले जाने की अनुमति चाहता हूँ श्रीमान
it just feels the same. It's like nothing has changed. Just goosebumps while even I'm talking about it. It's amazing.
You can't compare to the friends you make later on in life.
The fact that we're meeting so many people after maybe 25 years has actually been amazing.
I expected it to be good, but I didn't expect it to have that home feeling.
Everyone is just the same. Nothing has changed. It's like you travel back to time.
It's been great to meet everyone after so many years. Also to realize that you're back in school and it's where you left and that's how you started again.
It's like being hit by nostalgia in a big way. It kind of takes you back to your childhood and the innocence of childhood where everything was so simple.
It's an amazing feeling, Tally. There are so many of us that I'm probably meeting after 25 years, straight after we passed out in upper 6.
It's been so surreal because the people we're meeting after PD, there's so many memories flooding back.
Everyone's changed, moved on in their lives.
It's like we never left. It's like we belong here and we should just stay on here, only not go back anywhere.
We were always together, na? Vindhyan especially, a small community that we have. We're missing Vicky, we're missing Imchung, Toshi. Just being able to be with them again, that'd be perfect.
We know each and every part of the school, so it's very surreal looking at the campus and walking through the campuses with our old classmates who have been friends since we were children.
Meeting old friends and just absolutely no agenda, because that's the friends that you make when you're in school.
I hope this is not for the last time. We get to see each other again. It was, I think, the best decision I made this year to come back for Founders after such a long period of time.
And lastly, I would like to thank Raghav Karol, Vinayak Bakshi, Arunima Maulia, Deepthi Chadha, Avni Batra, and all those that took out time of the busy lives and worked tirelessly to get our batch of 99 together for the 25th Jubilee. Thank you.
Yeah, Bakshi. Thank you so much. Yeah. Bakshi is the best. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You think Bakshi is a nice guy? We had a good time and hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. See you guys soon. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye Tally, thank you.
Okay, bye bye.
Guys, it's not over here. We have half India to cross here.
Our Founders has lasted, I think, 6 days.
It's a rave.
It's a rave.
Founders rave.
You know what we forgot to say?
What?
We forgot to read out that marathon list here.
Shall we?
Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, let's do it. There are few people, or actually I think a lot of people who have not come. So we just like to have an honorable mention of the people who we missed. And hopefully next time we shall see you guys as well. Keshwan, please go for it.
These are the guys who have to take your numbers and land up for drill there. Chacha, Toshi, Imchung, Ghadia, Yusuf double drill because he ducked. Gangoti, Ronnie, Nathu, KJ, Anju, Achint, Neha Grover, Meher, Pavit, Bolaria, Radhika, Mandeep Dang, Bhatia, Shraddha, Payal, Ridhima, Karishma, Navdeep, Kani, Janice, Jasrina, Rishi Raj, Binish Shinam, Stanzin, Abhay Garg, Amit Goel, Ashima, Malhotra, Ruchira Gupta, Ramni Kobroy, Pathak, Anchal Vej, Vicky, Utkarsh Singh, Chandel, Pia Bhatnagar. You guys take your numbers. Better land up.
We'll land up next time. Okay? Thank you so much. Bye bye.